Them for know sir, Diablo represent for all. Pretty girl storm, them for know sir, J.O.B. them for know sir, bad people, bad company. Pretty girl storm, better man never make you feel so. Like a barrel have your hand and wheel so.
Losing my family's life. He comes off the clutch pedal too quick for full stall. What do you react to that?
Morning, how are you?
It's right here, Pete does well.
Hope everyone is having a good day today.
Selects the correct gear and doesn't steer too easy.
Doing some washing. I'm gonna put some clothes on the line in a
At
bit.
this junction, Pete stalls a few times as he doesn't have the clutch at the right point and isn't using enough gas. It did take a while to move off, but there was no one behind it. That me watching. That me used to watch people that before my pass my driving test. Me used to watch that man here on YouTube, a teaching studio. You get to learn a lot of things about what is what. What's the problem now? What's the problem? It's waves. You want an ear comb now? You want to have pretty hair. Luckily, there was no one.
No, but I take them. It's so nice to be in love and in love. When you're in love, you don't have time for misery. You don't. When you're in love and you feel love, you don't follow what people say, negative things about you. You just live in the love. And that is how your face is going to be relaxed. Your face is going to look cute. You're going to look pretty. Because you know you're love. And no matter what, no, don't come in the video, please. No, please, no. Please don't come. Yeah, when you know you're love, when you know you're special, when you know you have that special person that care for you, when you have family that love you, when you have friends that love you, I know you're genuine, I know your heart clean. When your heart clean, because if your heart dirty in people, you're not going to see the kingdom of God. You're not going to see the kingdom of God if your heart is dirty. Yeah, if you're a thief, if you're a wicked, you plan wickedness against people, you're not going to see the kingdom. No. So, I just relax and smile because I know I'm loved, I'm on care, my family loves me, my children love and adore me. In fact, people, the way my children love me, they don't go to bed unless I'm lying down beside them. The way I'm loved, and they have, come here, my mommy, come here. Oh, she's my only daughter, and so you know I love her. I love her. What, mommy? And when she grow big, people, when she's ready, I'm gonna teach her everything, and we're gonna have a special relationship. She's not gonna hide anything from her mom, because I'm gonna be genuine and true and practical. Yeah. Yeah, so try to build that relationship with your children so they can come to you and talk about anything, almost anything. Try to have that relationship, because some of we don't have that. Some of them don't. Some people don't have parents. Them parents them don't love them. Morning. Some people, them parents don't love them, and so it's like they are broken from their younger. Yeah, so try to have a good relationship with your children. Anything, and that sometimes you have to listen. But sometimes in the society that I've grown up in, sometimes some of the Jamaican parents are a bit bullyish. They're not bit. Them try to call you down and they like to speak. Thank you very much. Morning. Morning. I tell them that this is the face of love. I don't let anybody talking bring me down. No. When you let people, and I'm drinking my tea. But anybody want to talk negative thing, and people, I want you to understand in social media, I'm not on benefit. I have special needs son, and that's what England government do. They always try to help them because these special needs kids that have autistic, there's a lot of things they need, sensory toys and such, to let them comfortable. I'm not on benefit. My son is on it, and it's me collect the money. Yes. Me collect the money because I'm the parent. You understand? So if he was living with his father would collect the money same way. And it's not gonna affect me. If I'm working, they're still gonna pay him his disability money. Because autistic children, they need a lot of help. They take a lot of time and patience to deal with them. Even to potty train them, it takes a lot of time and effort. There's a lot of stuff you have to buy. That's why I like this government, because they realize that they need a lot of sensory toys, even to put them to bed, because sometimes their mind is unsettled. So I don't want nobody put me down, but I'm on benefit. No, I'm not on no benefit. My son is on benefit, and I collect the money. That's why my baby father, I have to pay him back my money. I'm a big son, and then take it and use it for his purpose. So him now he's gonna be dragged in the court for my son money. I'm not on no benefit. Notice the people them on benefit. The people them that is on benefit, they are crazy. They have some mental issue. If you listen to them when they speak, they talk pure lies. Those people are on benefit. Lady C is not on benefit. I only collect disability money for my son, because I'm looking after him, and the government realized that. The government realized that these kids need a lot of help. It's not like Jamaica when they ridicule them and put down these special needs kids, or the disabled kids. They try to put them down and they don't try to do enough to help them. But this government, they help special needs kids. So anything me say, I'm a garden shop and me say, oh, this look good. But even some little things that I buy for him, some little thing that he always love chew his shirt, he chew it. So I have to get some special something over in there. Sometimes I buy them and he just pop them down. So I have to buy more. And the government realized that. So don't try to put me down like, oh, yeah, I'm not on benefit there. I have a special needs son and he is on benefit. So as a parent, I have to collect the money. So I don't think nobody should have a problem with that. I'm not on benefit. My son is on benefit, disability benefit, because he have a disability. I did not diagnose him. It's specialist, a team, doctors, all type of person that is specialized in that sector as a special needs kids. They diagnose him, not me. So I have a right as a parent to collect his money. So I don't know why people are having problem with that. No, I'm not. Ladies, he's not on benefit, disability benefit. My son is on, and I. So if you don't hear anybody, oh, go ahead, she on benefit and she go look work. No, the government want me to spend time with my child and give him love and attention, because nobody else gonna love your child like, oh, anyone should. And see, he's coming now, he's gone midnight, so I have to go come off, because in the like when me upon live. Why am I explaining? Because some people are so dumb, they think like I'm a worthless person. I was working until I was 8 months pregnant. 8 months pregnant, I was working, doing cleaning job in London. I was working until I 8 months pregnant. When I have baby, I have a cesarean section. You have to take cesarean, you take time to heal, and then I did have some fibers. They could not take out the fibers same time because they were so large. You understand? It could literally bleed to death if they try to take out the fibers. So I was suffering from fibers, and I said I was some big fibers. The fibers made me look like I'm 6 months pregnant. And they gave me a lot of pills to control the bleeding. Alright, thank you, Punch. That is true. But I like how the UK government, the England government, add these special needs. There's a lot of things I have to buy for him. Some little bitey stuff, and even 2 days, you buy them and pop them down. Because he will throw on his shirt sleeve. That's true, Punch. That is true. So I'm not a lazy person, but I have these kids that need time and attention. And there's no greater love than a mother's love. I can't just fling my kids them to anybody, so you have to spend more time with these special needs kids. And any want to go and laugh at my child, trust me, God is not pleased with Uno. If you're not going to laugh at one special needs child, you're not going to face the wrath of Father God. Yeah. Because I did not make him. You understand? His voice, something he can talk, but something he don't really can't comprehend certain things and really tell me certain things. God know what he's saying. Even when he's making noise, God know what he's saying. So you out here, go and ridicule people's special needs kid, and you will see what is coming to you in the future. It's not a good thing. So people have a good day because my son start crying because he don't like when I'm being online. Have a good day, people.